Hello guys, Yash MTB rider. Now this cycle ride 1 year 29 days is over and I will do this cycle review. I sitting on cycle. Look, this is my entry level MTB, cost only 15 to 16,000 rupees. Your budget is around 15 to 16,000 rupees. You can purchase this entry level MTB. This is a very good diameter of wheel size and this is a very good entry level. And I want to tell you some specifications of this entry level MTB. And I want to tell you something. This is having a large frame with 19 inches of size and this is a very basic cycle. And I want to tell you, this is a gear set. Gear set is very basic. This is a 7-speed Shimano. This is a 7-speed freewheel. This is original. I change is, this is range is coming 14 to 28 teeth and this is basic spokes, steel spokes. This is double wall alloy aluminum rims and this is coming with hard text. This is coming hard text extra action 29 into 2.4. This is a MTB entry level MTB tire. Look this grip pattern. This is a grip pattern. See, this is a very basic grip pattern. And I want to tell you, this is a basic suspension fork with this is a with coming this basic suspension fork travel can almost 60 This is a steel suspension fork and this is coming with Kesto branding. This is from Orbi Shocks. I will show you Orbi Shocks. This is coming from Orbi Shocks. Orbi, you can found Orbi Shocks. This is coming in Orbi Shocks with Kesta branding, suspension Kesto. This is a basic rotor with very normal size. This is a basic rotor size. This is a 160 in front and 160 in the back. Same rotor, 160 in the front rotor, look, and 160 in the rear rotor. This is not good mechanical brakes. I don't know this performance. I not found this performance brakes. I don't know. I not idea this is Chinese or original. I don't know this brakes. Next, I want to tell you something. This was coming Shimano Tourney TZ rear derailleur Shimano Tourney SIS to TZ model, and this is all coming in Tourney Shimano Tourney TZ 300 derailleur. That is very, I want to not tell you that derailleur is very, and I want to tell you this is a basic chain. I don't know this brand name, and this is a very basic steel crank with, you can see, 3 speed. This is a 170 of length with steel crank, 24, 35, 42 teeth. This is a 3 speed Shimano Tourney front derailleur with very basic shifter. So I will see you 3 in the front derailleur shifter and rear derailleur shifter. This is, I want to not tell you, and I want to tell you this basic pedal that what coming with company. This is change pedal and this also is change. Stock is broken. Stock pedal was broken. Stock pedal is flat pedal with not having, without grip pattern and pattern. And I want to tell you these hubs. I don't know these hubs. This is brand come with QL hubs. QL hubs. This is brand. I don't know these hubs, and this is coming. This originally a fake hub. Fake hub, and this is coming with. I want to see you. This is a QL brand hub. QL, and I want to see you. Listen. Hub sound. Hub sound. Hub sound. See hub sound. See hub sound. And I want to tell you, this is gear guard. This is very important part. I want to tell you something. This gear guard is not broken any head. This is a very steel. This is very good and compact. This is a very strong. This gear guard is not broken. This is very good. I want to give you this gear guard is very okay. From you fall on off-road on gear side, this is gear guard will very help to you. And I want to show you something. This is having with standard bottle holder. This is mounting point with bottle holder. This is not having bottle holder in seat post. This is seat post with length is 300 mm, which I'll tell you how. This is a very good thing. This is not coming feature on this cycle. This is having very good feature is coming internal cable routing. This is very clean design. This is very clean. You will not see cable. This is very clean bike and very good. This is internal cable is not coming in 15,000 rupees. This is 16. This is cost only coming 16,000. Very high end feature coming with internal cable routing. You cannot found internal cable routing in 16 to 20,000. This is very premium feature. I like this internal cable routing. And this is a longer stem with 80 mm of length with 720 mm of wide handlebar. So you this is a 720 mm wide handlebar. This is very perfect for tall riders. And I written my name. Look, Yash MTB Rider. This is my name and my name, personal name and channel name. Two names. This is these two name on one. And this is a very good entry level. This is coming with ball bearing hubs. And I want to tell you something. This is a square tapered bottom bracket. Square tapered bottom bracket. You will not found hole. This cycle is not having hole. This is a standard bottom bracket and coming with ball bearing bottom bracket. Ball bearing square tapered bottom bracket. This is a very entry level. Thank you guys on my channel. And this is a very good. Your budget is 16,000, 15 to 16,000. This is a very good entry level bike and very good bike on 16,000. Okay, and I want to show you some cinematic. You want to like a cinematic shots? I can show you this cinematic shots. Look. Thank you guys on my channel Yash MTB Rider.